Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. We have a giant inflatable duck here and an electronics tube that controls everything with a switch attached to it for the motors. Those motors down here in the back are some massive, way overpowered ones that you may remember from our underwater Ironman video. Well, we've now attached them to this rudder so you can steer the duck, and all you do is push this and they'll run. And it's as simple as that. You can take it out, have a good spin with the whole family, and have a good time. So let's do it, let's go, come on. Start turning it. Right now your side's too far over the wall. We're gonna turn it towards the wall.
So we took a quick drive to our friend's house to try it out. He's got a sweet setup right by the lake, which is perfect for our motorized duck. Before we untethered from the dock, we did a static test to make sure that everything worked. When the motors were running, you can clearly see how much the PVC frame flexes. However, PVC fittings are ridiculously cheap and versatile, so it's too hard to pass up.
Moto duck in 3, 2, 1. Riding around on this was a ton of fun, but I want to take a second to show you how we made it. All the parts we use can be found online, and we'll put a link in the description below. For starters, we have this really beefy motor with a high torque. That's really important because when you're pulling yourself through a viscous medium like water, high torque gives you that power to do it. For our prop, we have this pretty durable 4-blade glass-filled nylon. It has a steep blade pitch, which is really important because the steeper the pitch, the faster it travels. And finally, we have this ducted housing that connects those two parts to the PVC frame. Worked really well. All told, the bill for 2 of these motor systems was around $230, and the duck itself was another $35. But enough chat for now. Let's get back on the lake. Oh, I'm marooned. I'm stranded out here in the middle of nowhere. Stay posted.
All right, so David got stuck out there. The batteries ran out on him, so we need to retrieve him. And the way we're gonna do that is by using this drone. I'm gonna fly it over there, lower it on top of him, and he's gonna grab it, and then I'm gonna tow him back to safety. Nothing could go wrong with this.
March, about 4.5. Roger, understand. Go for landing. 3,000 feet. Time alarm.
Contact confirmed and capture confirmed.
That's got to be the best pirate I've ever seen.
So it would seem.
Two hours later.
There you go. Thanks for the lift. Oh.
We should probably put some type of meter that tells us how much battery life is left on this boat, or else you're gonna get stranded all the time.
Oh, I thought that was fun. Well, that was a half-baked idea.
But it worked. The only thing that matters is the end result, no matter how many lives.
Oh, I think I've heard that somewhere before. Anyway, good work, dude. This thing works.
All right, off to the next project.
Dun, da, da. Wait. Off to the next project. Off to the next. Off to the next project. Off. Off. Off to the next project. Off to the next project.